Okay, we're back at the storage unit next day. So this will be part 2 of the video. Who knows how many parts there'll be to clearing out the storage unit. We're gonna stop at my unit first. Continuing from the video last night, I have this piano that I'm gonna drop off in my unit. After poking around in the unit last night, if this is your first video you're tuning in for, won my very first storage unit auction, paid $90. I'm a full-time clothing reseller, but I'll sell anything that has value. I'm wondering if I purchased another reseller's unit. A very disorganized reseller, but tons of bags of clothes, which is what I was counting on or hoping for. But then like a box of like a full set of dishes with like the Goodwill or the thrift store tags still on it and some other things that still had like thrift store tags. I'm like, so it's not a bad thing, like buying someone else's inventory. It didn't seem like high-end stuff, but probably like decent bread and butter items for me. So yeah, we'll continue on going through. It's a little overwhelming. Again, it's my first unit. Try to stay focused, try to stay organized, and just instead of like poking around aimlessly, get a bag, figure out which pile it goes in and keep it moving. But let's drop this piano off at my unit. Okay, piano is in. So see, I have lots and lots of bags of clothes as well. So, and then here's how I organize my inventory. Everything's numbered in the boxes. Looks like I have some condensing to do. That's good. That means I'm selling stuff on hangers. All right, let's go up to the other unit. So here's the facility. We're like up on the edge of town. There's like houses on the other side and stuff. But I didn't like being here alone last night in the dark. So here, I'm gonna pull up right here. Okay, and we're back in the daylight. Set the camera up on this table here and kind of clear a spot for me to start processing. Let's see, like there's a local thrift store tag. There's this old lamp here, and this had like a yard sale tag on it. So yeah, we'll see. Lots of like home decor, Christmas decorations kind of stuff. Some heaters. I think that might have been like a heater there. Yeah, let's go. So we're gonna clear the space on the table here, but Keurig. These things are cool. So here's a bag of clothes. See, they're not stuff I would think that I would like pick up to resell, but I think some of it's sellable. I started a bag of clothes here, some American Eagle jeans. Robert E. Lee book. Old vintage blocks. That is creepy. TY Paw Patrol. Oh, this was sold at local greenhouse. Maybe it had a plant in it. That's nice. I don't know what that is. This says M means best. We'll look that up. Made in USA. All right. We're still like on top of the table here. Casio printing calculator. See, still this thrift tag on for $3.99. See, I think someone else was like stocking up on inventory. I'll take it. Oh my gosh, is this like a box of sanitizer? This would have gone for good money a couple years ago. Sanitizer. Oh my. Sanitizer on here. Ooh, banana and coconut milk body spray. Avon. Light up decoration. Oh, it's made out of like a colander. Huh. Madden Girl shoes. Toaster. Yeah, we're gonna throw that out.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking on the mountain.
He's sitting in Grandma's chair. Like he's attached to it. Oh my gosh. That's kind of funny. That might be nice cleaned up. Pet waste bags, a box of them. Tupperware. So they bought these like vintage paper towels at the thrift store. What is it? Roberta's Hawaiian Flower Magic Liquid Plant Food. King Pro V conditioner. This goes in the box that I will keep. Unit tool, talking tire gauge. Stitch. I'm gonna sweep off this table. So I'm sweeping off this table, and there is, oh my gosh, snake skin. Oh my gosh, no, no, no. Oh. Okay, I like this unit less now. An odd monkey case. Oh, these are cute. Maybe we can clean these up. Pittsburgh Penguins. Let's bring you over here. I'm gonna go through this tote on the floor here that looks full. This one right here. Get myself a little seat. Oh, I see Pokemon. Oh, let's see what we got. No selfies in the bathroom. Please remain seated for the entire performance. Always wash your hands. Oh, sealed Kodak paper. This is cool. Sounds like there's pieces in there. And the instruction booklet. Cool. Desktop monitor privacy screen. Oh, this is newer. It came from Ollie's. I remember having one of these. Ta-da! Yeah, come on down with me. Okay, how's that? Ornaments. Shiloh. Fiomi Night shoes. Cord. I always save all these like adapter things because a lot of them are like universal. And I'll find something that doesn't have a cord. And I'll have one that fits. USB. Oh, there's a really cool looking lamp. Sorry, you can't see my face. You probably won't care more about what's in there anyway. Little table thing. Ooh, Bantam Event Archery World. First place, 2015. What is this? Ooh, looks like a vintage food saver. Love. Home. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like that. I might want to keep that for me. Oh, like old cross-stitch books. This feels very lightweight. It looks cool though. We have a video game. Pets Nursery 2. I'm sure that's very hot. Is it even in there? Baseball laughs. Oh, cigar box. With hardware pieces. We've got like a whole silver stone pot set here. Nice. Yeah, I don't know if they're nice or not, but this is 369A. Not quite sure what that is. Oh my gosh. Have these all been like chewed? I'll show you the brands at least. What we had. Okay. Oh my. Kathy Van Zeeland. These are rough shape. Another Kathy Van Zeeland. Oh man. Actually, that one might still be alright. Although it's kind of hideous. I don't see any brand on it. Stone Mountain. Kathy Van Zeeland. I've never even heard of that. Big Nanello. That's kind of cute. Stone Mountain. Oh, a fossil. Oh no, sorry. Rossetti. I think I saw the two S's. Actually, that's only one S. Jenna De Rossi. Tyler Rodan. St. John's Bay. There. Jenna De Rossi. Rosie Rossi. 9 West. 31. Okay, so a lot of these I'm just gonna trash. And there's another bag down here. Let's see. Is that also purses? No. Oh, it does not feel like it. It feels like clothes, maybe. Oops. Oh, I think I broke it. Oh, I thought it was just clothes. Oh, and this was cute too. It was already broken. Dog frame. Thrift store. Tags on it. Lego Batman McDonald's cup. Maybe it's not. Sonoma. It's kind of cool. Batman hat. Some Champion pants. Ooh, they might fit me. I like my sweatpants. Oh, it's got a sleeping bag with a $3 price tag on it. It's a rolling holster. 100% nylon sewn, made in Korea. Cancel ever model. Jed or Ted Simmons? I'm not sure. Some gloves can be worth a decent amount. I'm not sure how to tell that though. We'll have to look into the details on that. Another sleeping bag. This one looks more durable than the last one. Let's see what we got. It is a Coleman. Oh, I'm glad I didn't break this. A good garden stone, or oh, it looks like you can hang it up. Pittsburgh Steelers. It looks like it's seen better days. This box is cool looking. I'm not sure like what it was used for, but I like this. Like for me, I don't know what I'd use it for, but oh, there we go. It's kind of cool. That's neat. That's kind of bent. I'm not sure that's gonna close, but pumpkin's seen better days. It's cute though. Welcome. A lot of picture frames, which like even just like these, this is perfect. I get that size canvas and I'm gonna keep that one. Oh, these are all Kirklands, but I don't really like those. We have a Spider-Man poster in rough shape, 2002. What is it? It's kind of cool. Copyright New York Graphic Society, Rembrandt Harmens van Rijn, Dutch, 1606 to 1669, printed in Switzerland. That's kind of bent. We have a broken mirror. Oh, it's a VTech. Might take a closer look at that. See if it works, see if I can get it cleaned up. 2018. This is a cool frame. We're keeping that one. Okay, sock, we're not keeping that. Oh, I like this. Oh, see if I can get that cleaned up. But like these kind of frames I love. Just put canvas right in there. Oh, that's gonna need a lot of cleaning. I don't know about that one. Gardening Made Easy. Trivet. Oh, Model Railroader, January 1946. Oh, cool. Okay, that's neat. Put this somewhere safe. Oh, we got some records. I don't know if they're in good shape. Perry Como, Bill Cosby, Perry Como. Oh, Perry Como. Oh, here's more of those Model Railroader. That one's in pretty good shape. Oh, that takes you back. That kind of paper. Oh, cool. Okay, so we got a decent sized stack of these railroad. Oh, books. gold. I mean, it's just cardboard, but that's neat, and it's local here. There's some more. Nice. Okay. 1951. 1001 genuine Holoco and car parts by Varney. Oh, more locomotive stuff. Okay. Caught a fish. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, ew, spider. Okay. This unit gets the award. Cute. It's got a little crack on them. Pineapple planner. The big lot's $9. Oh goodness. What do we have here? Looks like something broke off there. Oh. Okay, so you can see on the bottom of this one, March 73, Holland mold. Cute little geese there. There's a little goose head. Didn't come off of this one. This one seems to be intact, so that one's okay. I see webbed feet there. Maybe there's a body. Oh, here we go. I think that one might be a little beyond repair. Are these those little people that people like or collect? Little peeps. Nice, nice, nice. I gotta call it a day and get home. I don't know how people clear these out in 3 days. I think they come with a truck and they have somewhere they can take everything. I feel like I didn't even make a dent. It is a little overwhelming. All right. So I don't know, what do you think? Did I find any cool stuff yet? A couple things. All right. That concludes part 2. I'll see you for part 3.